How's it going, everybody? Jeremy here with Accudraft, and today we're on location out here in Roanoke, Virginia at Blue Ridge Color Company. Blue Ridge Color Company, they are a jobber location, sells multiple different brands of paint. They have multiple store locations, but they also have distributors go through and do installs and servicing of paint booths. They just finished out one of their training centers, and you guys have got to check this place out. One look at this facility and you can tell these guys really take training seriously to the people who that they are selling it to. They're not just going to sell you the paint or sell you the product and not be able to offer training for it. They're taking things one step further and have a full out facility here just to offer that. One thing that you'll notice different here about this setup is that they have full rectangular glass. This is our new Vetrino doors and glass. Guys, these offer a whole lot more light coming into the booth from outside, especially for training purposes, because this wraps around the mixing room as well as the booth itself to be able to let anybody who's in here in the training facility be able to follow along what's going on in the booth or the mixing room. So I mentioned on top of selling paint, they also do installation and servicing and whatnot. That's another division that they have called Shop Fix Inc. These guys did this installation on the Accudraft booth. They also do installations and servicing all around in the area. You need to check them out. They're doing an awesome job here. Again, this is Blue Ridge Color Company and Shop Fix Inc. Check them out. There's gonna be more coming on Accudraft social media pages, guys. Take care.